Hi, and welcome to the Toronto's Real Estate Team at RE/MAX January 2016 Toronto Real Estate Market Report. Although January sales were nowhere near a record, there were some unexpected numbers in the market statistics. I'll comment more on that in this broadcast as we go through the market report. So let's review some of the Toronto Real Estate Board statistics and see what's happened. Sales were up 8.2% for January compared to last year, with 4,672 houses and condominiums changing hands in all the districts. Sales are actually up 8.5% above the last 15-year average. Condo, townhouse, and high-rise suites took a 35.5% share of the market, with 1,658 units being sold. This percentage of the overall market is about average for January. The January average sale price for all GTA homes came in at $631,092, a significant 14.1% higher than last year. The active listing inventory is one of the strongest indicators of how smooth or outrageous the market has been. We had a 30% decline in inventory for the month of January compared to historical numbers, and lower by 14% from last year at this time. The sales to listings, or percent chance of selling ratio, is how we determine what type of market we're actually in. 24 to 28% is a neutral market, below 24% is a buyer's market, and above 28% is a seller's market. In January, that ratio finished at 46.9%, up 10% from last year's result, and the highest I've seen since 2009. We're already into very busy seller market territory for so soon in the year. The days on market average for Toronto homes was 29. So let's look at what's happening in the downtown Toronto condominium market. West of Yonge and south of Bloor in the CO1 Treb district, the average sale price for January was just above $467,500. That average moved up 8.8% from the same time last year. With 248 condo sales in the month, the numbers were up 29% compared to 2015. There were 934 active listings on the market in January, slightly less than last year. The ratio of sales to listings was 26.6%, which puts CO1 in the middle of neutral market territory. The average days on market came in at 38, the same as last month. Now, east of Yonge and south of Bloor in the CO8 Treb district, the average sale price for January was just under $499,500. That number was up 14.5% compared to 2015. And with 67 condo sales in the month, the numbers were down 12% from last year. There were 271 active listings on the market in January, down 6% from 2015. The ratio of sales to listings was 24.7% for the month. That number puts CO8 just barely into neutral market territory, just slightly below last year. The average days on market came in at 42, 11 days slower than last month. The biggest surprise here is the high average sale price number for the market overall. This is almost entirely due to the shortage of inventory. With multiple offers happening across the marketplace, buyers are paying higher prices than last year for the same type of homes. Condos west of Yonge were the big performers during the month, with a big jump in sales numbers and a reduced listing inventory. East of Yonge, the sales numbers were down. These monthly fluctuations are relatively normal, so nothing really to deduce from them. The big thing to notice is that the average sale price in both districts was up significantly from January 2015. This month, we're looking at the Toronto Real Estate Board statistics for sales and average price by major home type. We can see from the chart that the average sale price for all types of homes is up both in the 416 and the 905 areas. The 905 showed a big 20.9% increase in the average sale price of detached homes compared to 1 year ago. Condo apartment sales numbers and average price were both up from January 2015. So what's a terrific way to make your first baby step into Toronto's real estate market and find out where those more affordable choices are? The best first step is to go on a market experience tour of condo or house neighborhoods with one of our team members. Leave your checkbook at home. What a tour is not intended to do is to show you homes with the intention that you'd immediately buy one. What it is intended to do is give you an opportunity to get a clearer idea of what's available on the market in your favorite parts of the city and in your price range without worrying about being pressured into having to make an immediate buying decision. Once you've had your tour, we want you to go back home and think about what you saw. You'll then be better able to set up a good home buying plan and make smart, educated decisions about where and when you want to be in your new home. You can sign up for your condo tour at dailydowntowncondotours.com and a tour of houses at dailytorontohometours.com. Remember to check back here in early March for our February 2016 Toronto Real Estate Market Report.